everyone, my name is Clementina Rajuel. Today I'll be sharing with you my project, which is based on alarm system. As you can see here, I'll be showing you the components that I'm gonna use for the project. Here we have LCD, ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, keypad, LEDs, buzzer, and Arduino board. The LCD will display the distance measured as the object approaches. The first movement detected will be above 30. This will result in the first screen LED that will blink. As I move closer, less than 20 centimeter, the second red LED will also blink. And then closer again, the IR sensor will detect the motion. This will allow my buzzer to turn on. In order to turn off the buzzer, I will put the password on the keypad. Thank you for watching, guys.